Well, this is creeping me out.
It's creepy. I'm sorry. What's creeping you out?
This werewolf's right behind the picture door, right over there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why it's creeping me out, but you have to take that werewolf right back to his. Wait, Mom, there's like a hole on that. Wait, that's why the werewolf's trying to make a hole in this house.
What? Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do, Savy?
I don't know. You have to take that werewolf and take him out of this house. But it's too hard. I can't do it. He's too strong. I don't want him to bite me. Maybe you have to do it because I'm so scared. They're just gonna bite me.
I can do it.
Don't just take him out of this cage. He can climb up and he will open that and he will open this house and I will kill that thing.
Really?
Yes. And I don't want this to happen again.